Snipe Squad, what is going on? Back again. It is your boy Sniper Jones, and I am back with another video for ya at top. What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to another video, another banger. Today I have an unboxing sent from Hibbett Sports. Now, for my people who don't know who Hibbett Sports is, it's time for you to wake up because you obviously been asleep longer than you need to be. Now, Hibbett Sports is a retail store that sells everything from clothing because they are partnering up with City Gear, so they do have a lot of clothing options now that a lot of you guys probably didn't know about. They also sell everything from Jordans, Adidas, Yeezys, Puma, and they even have stuff like equipment, whether it be football equipment, hockey equipment. Look, they have it all. Literally a one-stop shop. So for my people who don't know what Hibbett Sports is, once again, it will be linked down below. Now, Hibbett Sports and me have done tons of videos, and we've even done giveaways. Like, we did a gift card for, it was like a $300 gift card for the Court Purple 2.0s, Seattle 10s. They sent me Puma RSXs, so many sneakers, man. And this one is another one to add to the list. So thank you, huge shout out to Hibbett Sports for always showing love and supporting the channel. Now, for my people who are new to my channel, you can support the channel too by simply just hitting that subscribe button, man. Y'all know the vibes. The grind is so real. We so close. And we so far. It's like a bit of both, man, but the goal is 100,000 by the end of the year. Right now, you know what I'm saying, we at 50, so we halfway there. So if you're new to my channel, smash the subscribe button. A lot more videos like this coming, a lot more early reviews, a lot more unboxings, and I also give you a lot of information on what's coming out, how to cop it, a lot of great videos like that. So if you enjoy that type of stuff, then this is the channel for you. Also, guys, make sure you follow me on Instagram and Twitter just to be aware of the next time I'm doing a giveaway with Hibbett, or the next time I'm just doing anything that you guys want to be a part of. I usually let you guys know that on my social media. So if you're not following me, then you kind of out the loop. You know what I'm saying? And that's on you. Baya! Here we have the iconic, at this point, on my channel at least, at this point, I really truly believe that the Hibbett Sports box is iconic because I've been opening up these packages for a while now, and it's always fire inside. Now, before I open this box up, of course, you already seen the thumbnail, so you probably already know what these are. And before I open it up, I just want to say, man, like, it's to the point now where, like, is this still like an early review? We got to talk about what's an early review, bro. I think, like, these don't even come out until this weekend, and I'm too late almost. It's like everybody has a pair already. So it's getting crazy insane how many people get shoes early. And I love it, man. Like, it's Jordan time. The Last Dance is coming on. People want their Jordans. They don't want to wait. And it's just a great time to be a sneakerhead. You know what I'm saying? And seeing how Jordan prices has inflated since that last episode of The Last Dance, when he was talking about playing in those Jordan 1 Chicagos and his feet was bleeding and that amazing story. It's like, it's just a great time to be a sneakerhead, bro. So if you don't know whether you in or not, like, now is the time to be in. Let's open this up and see it, because even though a lot of people already have these, I have not been one to, like, you know, watch any reviews. I don't really like watching reviews on other YouTubers before I make mine, because I believe that sometimes, you know, when you watch other people, your opinion can be swayed, you know, depending on how other people feel. And I just try to keep mine a buck, you know. Whenever I do my unboxings, I like it to be real, raw, and uncut. Let's see what we got. Okay, we got some wrapping paper here, and of course we have our Air Jordans here inside that Hibbett Sports bag. Now let me open this up. Huge shout out to Hibbett Sports. As I always say, I gotta cut this. This is tie. Whoever tied this had to be a Girl Scout or a Boy Scout, because they got this like in a triple knot. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut that. And from the looks of things, it's like our regular Air Jordan box, right? That regular Air Jordan Nike Air box is what it's coming in. Y'all already know the vibes, man. Size 12 is what I'm repping. Now, once again, guys, this shoe will be releasing Saturday, May 9th for the retail price of $170. That price point for the Air Jordan 1 has went up. We all saw that coming, or at least I did. Now, the question that a lot of people have been asking is where to cop and how to cop. I'm gonna make this very, very simple for you guys. Hibbett Sports, okay? Hibbett Sports has an app that I want you guys to try out, and it works just like the rest of them. You go on Hibbett Sports, you check out, you know what I'm saying, the release calendar, you see the sneaker that you want, you select it, and all you do is enter the raffle and follow the rules. It's very, very simple. And one thing I can say about Hibbett Sports app is they never do crash. So upon release dates, even when the Bread 11s dropped and every app crashed, Hibbett Sports was still standing. So I definitely think you have a great chance of going over there and winning. So head over there and check it out, man. But to open these up and see what they look like. Now, like I said, I know a lot of people got them early, but I have not seen these yet or felt the material, not like that. But here we go. I like them. I like them a lot, man. I like them a lot. I'm gonna tell y'all my reasons why I like these so much. To be completely honest, now this is a non-OG, right? So for my OG Jordan heads out there, y'all know the difference between an OG and a non-OG Air Jordan. This was not a colorway that Jordan wore. You know, this was something that was made over time. But what I can say, we don't have a lot of Air Jordan 1s in this white, black, and blue. Okay, off the top of my head, the only ones that I can even think of that this color are the Fragment 1s, right? These Royal Toes, and of course, where are they? They're somewhere behind me, somewhere over here. Okay, the Game Royals. Okay, so I'm even hearing people call these the Game Royals, but it don't really matter. I call them the Royal Toe. So this shoe is definitely, in my opinion, I think I'm rocking with this one over the Game Royal. And the reason being is because I just like this black toe box. I think that's great, and I like the black feature. So when it comes to which one is my favorite, I mean, Fragment got to go first, but between these two, I'm definitely going with the Royal Toe. Comment down below, let me know if you're gonna go with the Game Royal or the Royal Toe. I think the easiest way to compare these two is like comparing the Court Purple 2.0 and the Court Purple. You know, it's like one just got the black and it's more dominated with black, and the other one's just, you know, white and purple or white and blue. But these are beauty. These are beauty, man. The leather quality is pretty good, right? It looked like it got some tumble right here on the toe box. If y'all can see that, it looked like it got like a little bit of tumble right there on the perforated toe box, as well as it got some good soft leather on the back. So right, so around here on the ankle part, it got some good action as well. And I really do like the material they got right there on the Air Jordan wing. That feels good. It's not like a plasticky feel, which is great. And they do have the alternate laces. Now, I'm not one to swap my laces OD. I think with these, I will continue to just keep rocking the black laces. I don't think I can see me wearing the blue laces. Let me bring out the other pair as well. But if y'all are the type of people that wear the blue laces, like, it's all cool. You know, it's all about how you get down there, how you rock your James. Me personally, I just like mines just like this. Now, what's cool about the Air Jordan 1, man, is it has to be one of the most easiest shoes to rock, easiest shoes to put together, one of the most easiest shoes to wear. I mean, like, if you ask 100 people what their favorite Air Jordan silhouette is, I guarantee it, over 50% will tell you it's the Air Jordan 1. Now, you will find other people that like other silhouettes more, but I think what really makes this shoe magical is just because, I mean, it's the one. You know what I'm saying? Like, it's literally the first. This is the first silhouette that Jordan magnified, you know, so it really means a lot to us, like the Jordan community. And like I said, continuing with the Last Dance documentary, this documentary is causing a lot of history to come out here, and it's also causing the price of sneakers to skyrocket. And I think the like as long as this documentary continues and the knowledge continues and the stories continues, we will only see more and more and more things like this. Once again, this is not an original colorway, but it's still an Air Jordan 1. And I think that's why Nike definitely went up on a price point, because when it comes to actual supply and demand, they weren't getting as much as they could get. I mean, Air Jordan 1s, you can find them being resold for almost thousands of dollars. So, you know, 160, you know, and that's why like a lot of resellers grab as many pairs as they can. It's a low price point, okay? It's 160 bucks, now 170. So it's still, compared to, you know, a shoe over there like the Air Jordan 5 Fire Red, I mean, that's 200 right off the hip, right? So you're saving a little bit extra bread, but I mean, that's it for that. So if you do want to see the review and on foot, that will be up at a later date, man. But I did have to unbox these. I could not wait. I had to see what they look like. And to be honest, I am very, very impressed. Please leave your comments down below on your thoughts of the Air Jordan 1 Royal Toe. I know a lot of people have them, and even though I'm early, I still feel late. But regardless, Snipe Squad, thank y'all for watching. Make sure you check out Hibbett Sports. Follow me on Instagram and Twitter. It is all down below. And before I leave out, you know I cannot leave without saying everybody want to be famous, but we're really putting in that work, though. Snipe Squad, I love y'all. Dream big.